Hey everybody, it's Tom from HID Projectors, and here is why your LED bulbs in a reflector housing are dangerous. On the left, we have a Jeep JK stock headlight with one of the best LED bulbs in the market, and it is overwhelming the reflector. Getting blinded here. Then if I start from the top and come down, you can see where the glare starts to happen. I'm not even with the light yet. Over on the right is our Expedition series, or our LED Classic sometimes. Bang them all the way down to about here before we hit the cutoff and where the glare starts. So what's happening on a projector is there is a built-in cutoff that is preventing the light from bleeding above, where it can blind and scatter and dazzle oncoming traffic. That's not happening here. Even when the bulb is properly clocked and aimed down, it's still scattering light. It's overwhelming the optics of this headlight, and I'll show you from some different angles. It's still scattering light no matter where I'm at. So I know a lot of folks say, oh, I can just aim them down and it's fine. It's still not the proper way to do this. If you're looking to save some money and a retrofit isn't an option for you, stick with a good halogen bulb, one that's designed for the optics of a headlight. Sylvania makes a good bulb, Osram makes a good bulb. Just don't go with a super high powered LED bulb, because it's just like running around with your high beams on. You're overwhelming what the reflector's design is. See all these ribs and all these cutoffs here? That's all supposed to help reflect the light into a safe pattern. And when you overwhelm it with too much light, that bleeds, and that causes dazzling or blinding for oncoming traffic. So you can see better, but no one else can see better. Whereas here, you're taking all actually extra light, more light output than you're going to get from a bulb, and you're harnessing it. It's like a sniper versus a shotgun. You're taking that all and you're focusing it right on this specific place, which is the road, which is where you want to be able to see and not scattered all about, potentially causing harm to oncoming traffic and probably making it harder for you to see, quite honestly. This is the better solution, obviously, and this isn't a sales pitch. If you don't have the money for a proper projector retrofit and you still want to see better, upgrade the bulb to another halogen bulb. Stick with a good brand name, Osram, Philips. We don't sell those, so this isn't a sales pitch. But if you try to put an LED bulb in there and you're getting flashed by oncoming traffic, even if you're not, you're probably doing yourself a disservice. So I hope that helps educate some folks on what's going on here, why projectors are better than reflectors when it comes to output for the most part. And we're here to help. If there's any questions, you can always give us a call at 716-662-3479, or you can shoot us an email at sales@HIDprojectors.com, and we'll be happy to help educate you or talk to you or even advise you on what you might be able to do to get some additional safe lighting for your ride. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.